girls, welcome to today's video. My name is Kalia, aka Fat Face Panda, and today I'm going to invite you into my math class to teach you guys a few things that I didn't really know, but now I understand. The first thing that I'm going to be teaching is ratios. According to Google, ratios are the quantitative relationship between two amounts showing the number of times one value contains or is contained with the other. If you didn't understand anything that Google just stated, then you're in luck because I didn't either. But I noticed that thanks to my big fat math book, a ratio is a comparison of two quantities. That's it. So, for example, Kalia has 43 subscribers. 33 of Kalia's subscribers are anonymous. The other 11 subscribers are family members. What is the ratio of family members to anonymous subscribers? What is the ratio of anonymous subscribers to total subscribers? So I'm going to show you guys. So the ratio of family members to anonymous subscribers are 11 to 33, which is also equal to 11 over 33 or 11 to 33. But if you simplify it by dividing each of those numbers by 11, you will get 1 to 3. The other question was, what is the ratio of anonymous subscribers to total subscribers? And the answer would be 33 to 44. But if you simplify it, if you simplify it by dividing both of those numbers by 11, the answer would be 3 to 4. Which brings us into proportions. A proportion is a number sentence where two ratios are equal. Or an easier way of saying it is when a number sentence has two ratios that are equal to each other, that is called a proportion. How do we check if two ratios are equivalent or proportional to each other? Well, we use cross multiplication. Cross multiplication is a very easy strategy. So the way you would do it is making the ratios into fraction form. In this case, it will be 11 over 33. And then you would put the other ratio right next to that fraction and make it into fraction form. In this case, it will be 1 over 3. And then you multiply diagonally. So the first fraction, which is 11 over 33, you would multiply the numerator by the other fraction's denominator. So 11 times 3 equals 33, and 1 times 33 equals 33. So when the products are equivalent, then you know that the fractions or the ratios are equivalent. So 11 to 33 and 1 to 3 are both proportional or equivalent. The next thing that I will teach you guys about is rate and unit rate. Rate is a special kind of ratio where two amounts have different units. If you are a visual learner, you might want to pay attention. If there are 3 cans of paint to $30, before I was rudely interrupted, like I was saying, if 3 cans of paint cost $30, then the rate is 3 to 30. Now hopping into unit rate, the unit rate is where 1 is the denominator. So if 3 cans of paint cost $30, the unit rate would be one can equals up to $10 because 3 times 10 equals $30 and 3 times 1 equals 3 cans. So that is unit rate. The next thing that I'm going to be talking about is scale factor. Scale factor makes an exact copy only larger or smaller than the original. Scale factor multiplies the picture or object just as if you enlarge or shrink it on a copy machine. One thing that relates to scale factor is scale. Scale is the ratio of the size of a model or representation to the actual size of the object represented. So I have a question here. Kalia made a drawing of a person. The scale was 1 inch to 3 feet. Kalia's drawing was 3 inches long. What was the real height of the person she drew? Well, knowing that the drawing that I made was 3 inches long and 1 inch equals 3 feet, we're just going to multiply 3 by 3. So 3 feet by 3, because the amount of inches is 3 times, so we are going to also multiply the feet. And we get 9 feet. So that guy was really tall, which is kind of crazy. So,
Kalia, you still not done with that project? You had 10 days. That's 240 hours. You only had to do 3 minutes. That means for every 1 minute of that video, it took you 80 hours? Use that as your rate example.